How to use Ohara AI to build apps and games. So Ohara AI is a platform that enables users to build apps and games with AI assistance. So first, sign up and access the platform. Then you need to describe your app or game idea. So utilize the natural language to explain your concept to Ohara's AI, and this could be the description of the desired functionalities, user interface, or game mechanics. Like for example, you might describe a simple chat room app where users can earn tokens for chatting, or a puzzle game with a specific theme. Then AI generates the initial project. So Ohara AI then processes your description and generates the foundation elements of your app or game. This may include creating a code base, designing the user interface, and setting up features like wallet connections for token functionality. Then you can customize and refine. So once the initial project is generated, you can now customize and refine it by providing further instructions in natural language. Then you can publish and launch. So when you are satisfied your creation, and then you can also publish the app or game often facilitates deployment, making your project live and accessible. You can also share and promote it, which is an optional options. So if your app or game incorporates features like in-game tokens or a community aspect, you can share and promote it to build an audience and foster an economy around your creation. And Ohara AI aims to simplify the app and game development process by leveraging AI to handle much of the technical implementation.